Transform your windows in one afternoon without sewing. With Traceable Designer, you won't believe how easy it is to make beautiful custom Lambrequin valances that look professionally designed. This unique DIY home decorating kit includes 4 no-sew valance styles. Fit any window size or design style. Lambrequin panels are easy to adjust for both length and width. Make custom valances that are a perfect match for your decor. You can even make unique one-sided valances. Select fabric to match your decor, then prepare your fabric section. Trace the no-sew valance design form, then follow the trace line to cut out valance panels. Make a no-sew rod hanging pocket, then iron on trim. Hang using a standard metal curtain rod. No foam board, wood, or any other base needed. No-sew table decorating design forms are also included. Make beautiful custom table accents to match your valances. And best of all, this multi-style Lambrequin home decorating kit is reusable for unlimited window and table decorating. When custom no-sew decorating is this easy, why settle for less? Make your mark with Traceable Designer.